Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to share with you guys today my recent order from Grove Collaborative. And if you guys have not heard of Grove Collaborative, you're seriously missing out. They are a recurring shipment service that delivers natural household products directly to your door. I'm talking cleaning products, baby products, vitamins, beauty, pretty much any household items that you can think of, they will deliver directly to your door each month. So I'm loving this service, particularly with the holidays coming up. You guys know stores get crazy. Like, I cannot deal with the madness. That's why I Christmas shop super early, because I try to avoid the stores entirely in December. Everything I do is strictly online after Thanksgiving. And on top of that, it's also flu season. And since we're expecting Camden at the end of December, I definitely do not want to be dragging him out to the stores. So Grove is just like my #1 lifesaver, because they're going to deliver everything that I would normally pick up at the store and deliver it directly to me. It's 100% flexible. You have complete control over when you receive your shipments, what you receive. If you need toilet paper one month and not another, that's totally fine. If you want to skip a month, that's fine. They always have really great free gift deals. And I just love the service. Everything comes packaged beautifully. It's super convenient. The website's easy to use. And I also like knowing that I'm going to be receiving all natural, organic products that are good for both myself and my family. Now that we have littles, it's more important to me to be using natural household products, especially cleaners, because I am like a total clean freak. So I really love Grove Collaborative, you guys. So I'm excited to be sharing with you what I've recently ordered from them today, and also a really cute free gift set that is available for new customers this holiday season that I know you guys are gonna love. With your first $20 purchase as a new customer, you're going to receive this adorable Grove Collaborative cleaning caddy. It is in their new red color, which is so cute. I love the little wooden handle. This is great if you have a 2-story home like I do and you have to carry your cleaning products up and down the stairs. Really important to have a caddy, so I absolutely love this. And it comes with a ton of amazing free Mrs. Meyer's products, which are some of my favorites. And these really awesome walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, which I'll tell you a little more about here in a minute. But first, let me show you the 3 full-size Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products that you'll receive along with your cleaning caddy as your free gift. So first up, you get the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. This stuff is amazing. I use it all over my house. I did choose the peppermint scent for the holiday, but they also have orange clove and I believe Iowa pine, and you can choose your scent preference for your free gift. So again, full size, really nice. You also are going to get her dish soap, which I use regularly. These bottles literally last forever. So much product. I love the scent. And lastly, from Mrs. Meyer's, her hand soap with olive oil and aloe vera. Keeps her hands super moisturized through the winter, which is awesome. They just look really cute next to the sink. I love her products. Also be receiving a 2-pack of the Grove Collaborative walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. These are always a repurchase for me. Every single month I add these to my order because they are amazing. I love that the walnut side of the scrubber sponge is super gentle, so it's not gonna scratch my tubs or my sinks. And if you sign up through my link, you'll get a free 60-day VIP trial. So this is a value well over $30, a great deal. So I'm gonna include my link down below for you guys to check it out so that when you place your first order, you can receive this awesome holiday gift set. And even more exciting, if you end up spending over $39 with your order, you will also be receiving the Grove Collaborative stoneware sink side tray. This is so pretty. It's a beautiful white porcelain tray, and it looks amazing with all of your Mrs. Meyer's products stacked on it. You could add maybe like some pine cones on there right next to your sink just to give it that holiday look. So this is really an awesome deal. And there's even a deal for existing customers. If you use my swipe up link today, you'll receive a free 2-pack of the walnut scrubber sponges. So deals for everyone. I absolutely love that. Now I'm going to share with you guys my recent Grove Collaborative order and a few of my very favorite products that I consistently order from them. First up, because obviously I'm Christmas crazy, so every time that they get anything new for the holidays, I have to have it. These are the Grove Collaborative 100% cotton kitchen towels. They come in a 2-pack, and this is their new shade Heirloom Red. Obviously beautiful for Christmas coming up. I already have these in a few of their other shades, and this is literally the only dish towels that we use. They are so super absorbent. They're a wonderful size. Like, they're huge, you guys. They wash up really well. I can't tell you how many times that I've washed these. They don't shrink. There's no like shedding. They're just the best kitchen towels. And not only that, you can just fold them and hang them up and they look so adorable. I love like the ticking stripe look. So you guys can see, this is a huge, it's a huge dish towel. Obviously had to reorder my Grove Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponges. I already talked about these with you guys. They're amazing, they're natural, they work awesome. You need these. This is like a top seller on their website with good reason. Next, the Grove Heirloom Red Apron, 100% cotton. This is my first apron from them. I had to order it when I saw that it was red. You guys know I'm baking cookies this Christmas, and so I have to have a red apron straight up like Mrs. Claus. It's so soft. Look how adorable this is. It's so cute. It's got the little canvas strap. It's adjustable, and the ties are really adorable too. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to wear this festive thing while I'm doing my cookie baking. Also from Zarbee's Naturals, I ordered their Elderberry Immune Support Gummies. And these have a vitamin C, zinc, and real elderberry. I get these because elderberry is amazing with flu season and cold season coming up. We have taken elderberry, I think, for the last 2 winters. We used to take the syrup, but the gummies are much easier, especially for Colton. And I have definitely noticed a difference in how often that we've gotten sick since we started taking elderberry products in the winter. They really work, you guys. While we're on the immunity kick, I also picked up from Smarty Pants the Kids Probiotic Complete Probiotic Immunity Gummies. And these are in the strawberry cream flavor. Colton absolutely loves these. So I kind of switch it up whether I do the elderberry or the strawberry cream gummies just because he's so picky. But these are vegan, really awesome. So I got to keep my babies healthy, especially with the new little one coming. We can't have Colton getting sick. I also ordered some more alcohol-free hand sanitizing wipes from Baby Ganix. These are the mandarin scent, so they smell like oranges, really awesome. 20 wipes in a pack, and I did order 2 of these. I just stick these in my purse or my diaper bag. Next up for myself, I ordered from Acure their Seriously Soothing Micellar Water Cleansing Towelettes. And these I'm excited about. I've not tried them, but they have rose and cucumber, so they're great for sensitive skin. I love the convenient flip top packaging. You can never have too many makeup wipes, so I'm excited to try these. Grove also carries Burt's Bees products, so I got some more of their tinted lip balm in Red Dahlia. I love their tinted lip balms. They're awesome. I'm wearing it right now. So moisturizing. Just that hint of color, like that just bitten look, which I love. So I ordered one of those. Also got from Grove their set of cleaning gloves. This is a small, medium size. Just adorable little gloves and really affordable. I got an 8-pack of these ultra soft tissues from Seedling by Grove. All natural paper products, sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. Always have a pack of tissues in my purse wherever I go this time of year. And next I'm going to show you all of the products that I got from Method, which is one of my favorite brands. And I always order a ton of products from them because not only are they super affordable, but I have never been disappointed by anything that I've ordered. And Grove Collaborative has like pretty much all the Method products. So super convenient. This is the Method dish soap. Love, love, love. My favorite, it is the lime and sea salt. I can't tell you how many bottles of this dish soap that we've gone through. So ordered another one of those, and I also ordered the Honey Crisp Apple. Next up, I also ordered the Method Foaming Hand Wash in the scent Waterfall. And I get the foaming hand soaps for Colton because it's just easier for him. It's less mess. He's kind of learning right now how to wash his own hands, go to the bathroom by himself. And he loves the Method foaming soaps, so I picked up another one of those. Also from Method, their Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. This stuff is the bomb. It is so good. I love that the spout here is tapered so that it can easily get underneath the toilet rim. It smells like spearmint. It works really well. The absolute only product that you should be using if you have granite in your home, This is liquid gold. It is the Method Daily Granite. It's in the scent Apple Orchard, which smells amazing. And this will make your granite countertops look brand new. This is probably like my 40th bottle. I'm not even kidding. It cleans the counter so well. It polishes it. They're gonna be shining. Perfect. Absolutely love this product. So highly recommend that one. And also this time I'm trying from Method their heavy duty degreaser. It's plant-based, it's non-toxic. Also trying out the Method Daily Shower Naturally Derived Shower Cleaner, again in the eucalyptus mint scent, which is really refreshing. I love that this cleans without having to rinse. You just spray and go. So really convenient for busy moms like myself. And my favorite bathroom cleaner is also from Method. This is their foaming bathroom cleaner. This stuff is really great at removing soap scum, mold. I use this in our sinks, our toilets sometimes, our bathtubs, pretty much everywhere. And it really does a great job. And these are new. I'm trying out the Method Fragrance Boosters for laundry in Beach Sage. And I cannot tell you guys how good these smell. I cannot wait to put these in the laundry. Oh my gosh, they smell so amazing. I picked up some more of Colton's favorite, the Baby Organics Foaming Shampoo and Body Wash. I love that I can use this on his hair and his body. The Chamomile Verbena scent is really soothing and nice and fresh. I love that it foams and it has a pump top, so when he's like crazy, like a wild sea lion in the bathtub, I can just get a little bit of foam in my hand and clean him up. Picked up, this is new for me as well, from Counterculture, the Probiotic Cleaning Tonic. This is Air and Fabric Refresh in Lemongrass. And I love the packaging. It's really easy to use and cute. So I have been using this like all over the living room, on the couches, on the sheets, pretty much everywhere. Rugs, the whole deal. I love for the house to smell clean and fresh. The lemongrass is a really nice scent. And the other day I sprayed this on the couches and on the rugs, and then when my husband came home from work like 6 hours later, he was like, oh, it smells so clean and fresh in here. So this stuff definitely works. Also ordered from Mrs. Meyer's the Clean Day hand soap in the scent Compassion Flower. I told you guys I love the Mrs. Meyer's soaps. And I also got one of her foaming hand soaps in the lavender scent for Colton. And the last hand soap I picked up is from Caldria in the Pear Blossom Agave scent. To die. This smell is so good. The last couple of things in my Grove order from 7th Generation, this is their Brilliant Shine Rinse Aid. And this is enough for 75 dishwasher loads. This is the rinse aid that you put in along with your detergent capsule in the dishwasher, and it's just going to make your dishes shiny and nice. I find that when I run out of this in the little compartment, if I don't notice, that the dishes start coming out looking like a little cloudy and grimy. So I absolutely recommend this rinse aid. It works amazing. I love, again, that it's natural. And the last product in my order was from Real Simple. This is their stain and odor treatment. And it comes with the spray nozzle, and I have not tried this yet, but I'm really excited. It has an all-natural enzyme formula which tackles stains and persistent odors, and the smell is fresh citrus. And I got this for household uh-ohs. Miss Kissu, the Shiba Inu, tends to throw up in the floor. Colton's spilling things. Our poor carpet, I just feel really bad for it, and our couches. We totally need a new couch. So I wanted to pick up an all-natural stain and smell fighter. Ooh, it has a really strong citrus scent. The stronger the better, I say, especially when it comes to dog vomit and everything else. So this is great for fabric and carpet. So I'm really excited to try this natural stain remover. So that was my recent order from Grove. If you've too been wanting to make the switch to better and more natural products for your household, I definitely recommend checking out Grove, you guys. It's amazing. The delivery is so convenient. You can avoid having to go to the store. It's a huge lifesaver if you're hosting this holiday season. And don't forget to use my link to get your free gift with your order. This really cute Mrs. Meyer's holiday gift set in the red Grove cleaning caddy. Perfect gift for the holidays. You could re-gift this to maybe a hostess to a party you're going to, or like me, keep it for yourself because you're obsessed with it. It's so cute. And again, you will be receiving all 3 full-size holiday Mrs. Meyer's products, the Red Grove Cleaning Caddy, the Walnut Scrubber Sponges, and the 60-day free VIP trial when you use my link and place your first order. So an amazing deal. I hope you guys will check it out. I love Grove. I know you guys won't be disappointed either. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.